Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to categorize your emails into two parts. The one part that is emails that are read and the other parts it is emails that are not read. So it will always help you to really focus, unlike the other traditional way whereby you will have emails here like this one. You can have this email as read, the other email which is not read. It keeps your environment and everything messy. But with this format, any message that you have not read it will always appear in the read section, and the messages that you have already opened, the messages that you have already read, they will all come here. So without any further ado, let's get started and I show you how to implement this and to be productive in whatever things you do. What you need to do, you need to go to setting, and once you are in setting, just scroll down, and then you will find this inbox type default. So inbox type default, make sure you click this unread first. So here unread messages will always come on top. Let's first try to change it to important first. Have you seen? So it has changed, and let's try to this default. You see it has changed, but what is very important is for you to check this unread first, and that's how you implement this. Lastly, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you get updated and you get a lot of tricks and a lot of hack in this modern time. Thank you. See you some other time.